हे गाइस, दिस इज सुहास पडमलकर। वेलकम टू टुडेज वीकली मार्केट अपडेट। आप सबका आपके अपने लाइफ सेलर सुहास चैनल में स्वागत है। लेट मी टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू विश ऑल ऑफ यू हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। लेट अस सेलिब्रेट द स्पिरिट ऑफ यूनिटी, फ्रीडम एंड वैल्यूज दैट मेक अवर नेशन स्ट्रांग। Wishing everyone pride, peace, and progress on this special day. Guys, let us see how was the performance of our Indian market, different sectors with respect to global markets, and what signals we are getting for next week. We have line up for very big event in India, that is our Indian budget, that is going to happen on 1st February 2026, and surprisingly that is coming on Sunday. So market is going to stay open. Let us find out technical signals for trading in the next week. Before moving ahead, let me give disclaimer. Whatever we are going to learn today in this session, that is just for education and information purpose only. Anyway, there is no buy or sell recommendation. As a trader, it is your responsibility to do your own research and analysis before entering into any trade. Last week, market has given us indication that everything is not good in the market. So market can swing anyway, depending upon the circumstances. So let us see which direction is the right direction for the market. In today's session, we are going to find out the performing sector. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So let's dive in. In today's weekly market update, we are going to see world market performance, commodity, cryptocurrencies, Indian market, and Indian sectoral indices like IT, pharma, FMCG, metal, auto, energy, reality. So these are the important sectors of Indian market. So we are going to see performance of each sector. And for this, we are going to follow our favorite approach, that is top-down approach. If you are watching these videos regularly on weekly basis, then you might be familiar now with this top-down approach. So in this approach, first step is satellite view, where we see the performance of the global markets. Second step in this approach is helicopter view, where we see the Indian major indices like Nifty 50, Sensex. Third step in top-down approach is aerial view, where we drill down to sectoral performance and we find out the best performing sector. And once we know the best performing sector, then it is very easy for us to find out the best stocks from this performing sector. So first of all, Dow Jones monthly weekly RSI is above 60, daily between 40-60. So clearly midterm and long term trend is bullish for Dow Jones, and short term trend is in sideways mode. S&P 500 weekly monthly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So again, same like Dow Jones, S&P 500 is also midterm and long term trend is bullish. Short term trend is sideways. Nasdaq monthly RSI is above 60, weekly and daily between 40-60. So clearly short term and medium term trend is sideways. FTSE UK long term, mid term, that is monthly weekly chart RSI is above 60, and daily RSI is between 40-60. DAX Germany monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly RSI between 40-60. So short term and medium term trend of DAX Germany is sideways. Eurostox 50 monthly RSI above 60, weekly RSI above 60, daily RSI between 40-60. So little bit sideways market in short term. Nikkei Japan monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily RSI between 40-60. CAC France monthly RSI seems to be taking resistance at 60 level, daily and weekly RSI between 40-60. So short term, medium term trend is sideways. Shanghai Composite China, all three RSI above 60. So clearly Shanghai China is in very bullish signal we are getting from Shanghai Composite China. And this is the best chart. So this is the best chart we have seen in the global market. Kospi Korea, all three RSI above 60, same like China. Korea market is also seems to be in momentum. We are getting very good signal for Kospi Korea and China. Hang Seng Hong Kong, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. Let us see commodities. Gold all three RSI trading above 60 level. So clearly lot of momentum we have seen in the gold. Silver also same like gold, all three RSI above 60. So clearly it is in momentum, very bullish signal. Copper monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So clearly medium long term trend are bullish. Short term trend is in sideways mode. Crude all three RSI between 40 60. So it is in sideways mode. US dollar index monthly weekly RSI between 40 60, and short term RSI has broken RSI 40 level towards downside. Let us see cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin all three RSIs trading between 40 60 level. So clearly it is in sideways mode. Ethereum, all three RSI between 40 60. So clearly same like Bitcoin, Ethereum chart is also sideways. Let us see Indian market, that is helicopter view. Nifty 50, monthly weekly RSI between 40 60, and daily RSI has broken RSI 40 level toward downside. So clearly Indian major index Nifty 50 undertone is not bullish. So we have to see how things are unfolding in the next week as we are approaching big event in Indian market. That is our Indian budget that is going to happen on 1st February 2026. Let us see market is reversing from this level or still there is a downside possible with respect to budget news. Again, if you look at this candle has already closed below MA20 level. So that is little bit worry. Sensex, same like Nifty 50, monthly weekly RSI between 40 60, daily below RSI 40 level. Let us see aerial view, that is Indian sectoral indices. First one is our Indian primary sector, that is banking sector is considered as primary sector. So Nifty Bank, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. So clearly undertone is bullish, but short term and medium term trend is showing weakness. Nifty Fin Services, monthly RSI above 60, weekly between 40 60, and daily RSI is below RSI 40 level. So here one will find very difficult to identify the trend because all three charts are showing different direction. Medium term, that is weekly chart, is showing sideways mode. Monthly chart is showing uptrending market, and short term trend, that is daily chart, is showing bearishness. Under such situation, it is very difficult to make the decision whether market will go up or down or will remain sideways. Nifty PSU Bank, all three RSI above 60. So clearly there is no worry in PSU Bank. Nifty Auto, monthly RSI above 60, weekly between 40 60, and daily below RSI 40 level. So same like Fin Services, Auto also is giving different directions. Nifty Metal, all three RSI above 60 level. So clearly it is a uptrending market. So as on this, PSU Bank and Nifty Metal charts are looking so good. Nifty Pharma, monthly weekly RSI between 40 60, daily RSI below 40. So undertone of pharma sector is not bullish. So we have to find out the short opportunities in pharma sector because the long term trend of pharma is not showing bullishness. Nifty IT, all three RSI between 40 60 levels. So clearly IT is showing sideways market. But good news for the IT sector is our major indices are falling presently. But IT sector is not showing that much bearishness. So for contract trading, IT sector can be a better sector. Nifty FMCG, monthly RSI between 40 60, daily weekly RSI below 40 level. So clearly FMCG sector is showing lot of weakness. Consumption also same like FMCG, monthly RSI between 40 60, daily and weekly RSI is below 40 level. So again, not good for the consumption sector. Nifty Energy, monthly RSI between 40 60, daily and weekly RSI below 40. Not a good thing for the energy sector. Nifty Reality, monthly RSI between 40 60. So it is a showing sideways market. Short term and medium term, that is daily and weekly chart, showing RSI level below 40. I have shown the summary of world market with respect to RSI levels. Even though there was little bit corrections happening in overall markets, but undertone of the global markets is so bullish. Still, there is no worry at all in the global market. Whereas this slide shows the Indian performance summary. So with the help of RSI values, we are trying to get the idea of how the markets are positioned and what kind of signal we can derive from this analysis. So clearly you can see in global markets, the number of green cells are more. That means green cells are shown where RSI level is more than 60. So clearly global markets are showing lot of bullishness, that is in uptrending zone. Whereas our Indian markets, number of yellow cells are growing and increasing. Also, number of red cells are also increasing. That means yellow cells means RSI value is between 40-60. So that indicates sideways market. And red cells indicates RSI value below 40. So again that indicates bearish market. So from this slide, one can draw the conclusion Indian market is giving us sideways to bearish signal. There is no momentum in Indian market. There is no bullishness, just like our global market analysis, where we have seen undertone of the global market is very bullish, whereas undertone of our Indian market is not so bullish. Our sectors are also supporting this view. So from our analysis, we can draw the conclusion. We can see the outperformance in metal, PSU bank and auto sector with respect to our Nifty 50 performance. IT, services and manufacturing we can see as at par performance, and rest all like pharma, reality, energy, FMCG, consumable, durables, all are showing bearishness. So this is how top-down approach help us to identify the performing sector. And once you know the performing sector, then it is very easy to go to different stocks and find out the best stock from this performing sector. So from today's analysis, we have found out metal, auto and PSU banks are best performing sectors. So accordingly, one should make the decision. So I hope guys, this video is adding value to your learning and your trading skills. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही। आशा करता हूँ आज का ये वीडियो आपको बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव होगा। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट बिलो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू अवर चैनल। जल्दी मिलेंगे ऐसे ही नए ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए आई एम सुहास पडमलकर, योर ट्रेडिंग स्किल पार्टनर, साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर द डे। Take care of yourself and your family. Till then, good luck and good trading. Thank you.